Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another makeup look for you guys and trying out a couple new products. One of them being the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles Concealer, and it's first impressions, ripping open the package, never tried it before. And the other one is the Huda Beauty Tantour, which I have used, just not in a video, so you will get to see that. If you guys haven't already, it would be so great if you could subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see those two new products and this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, so my face is prepped with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Hydrate and Smooth in the shade Buff Beige. So now I'm going to go in with the Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles. I've been really excited to try this. I see it on a lot of makeup tutorials, and it's the only one, I feel like it's the only Maybelline concealer I haven't tried yet. So I get it out of the package, and I got it in the shade Light, I believe. Alright, I'm gonna pick this off. Okay, so I think you are just supposed to click it up. And it should come to the surface at any time. My goodness. Did I get a lemon? Did I get a broken concealer? Oh no, here it comes. Alright, look at that. Like a cheetah pet. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I love every Maybelline concealer I've really liked. I really like the Fit Me one. For as liquidy as it is, it's very, covers really well. So let's see how this goes. I feel like, ooh, this might be light. I feel like this has a similar consistency to the Fit Me foundation, or Fit Me concealer. It's very smooth and feels like really hydrating. It doesn't feel chalky at all, and a really good coverage. Like that is a full coverage. And it kind of looks like it's, I think on camera it looks lighter, it looks darker in person, and I was almost gonna get the fair, and that would have been way too light. Oh yes. So very hydrating looking, very full coverage, does not have a weird smell. I feel like the concealers that I've been using lately have kind of like a stronger smell. Okay, I am going to set it now. Because it feels like a more hydrating concealer, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D translucent setting powder. Sometimes I find with the matte or drier formula concealers, if I use this powder, it chalks up. I don't like the way it looks. And then I'll just go in, if it is a drier concealer, I'll use the Mercier translucent setting powder in Glow, just because it has that iridescence to it, and I just find that that one works better with concealers that are a little bit more of a matte finish. And I find that this one works better with the concealers that are more creamy. Penny. And it's actually sunny out today. I feel like every time I post or film a video, it's been so cloudy and rainy and cold. It's been a yucky fall, so it's actually really nice out today. I like the way the background looks when it's sunny and the lighting. Yeah, so this is not caking up at all. Like, I can instantly tell when I use this powder with the more matte finished concealers like the Super Stay or even the Infallible, the L'Oreal Infallible or Shape Tape. Like, I just find that it just kind of starts to chunk up a bit. All right, so that is that. And now I'm gonna go in with my new contour cream. For my new contour cream, I got the Huda Beauty Tantour, which I really wanted to try. And I love the cute little packaging, and I got it in the shade Light. So I have used this before. It's got more of a gold undertone than the foundation stick by the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, Penny Lane. All right, so I find, yes, that this one has more gold undertone to it than the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, which I can show you. And this is the one I've been using for the past forever. So I have been going in a little bit with this just on my cheekbones, just because I find that it's having more of a cooler undertone just gives you that more realistic shading. But the Tantour formula blends so much easier, and you just need to like touch your brush into it. Like, this tiny thing will probably last me 5 years. So, like, super, super pigmented, super creamy. I just wish it kind of had a little bit of a cooler finish to it. Like, it didn't need to be darker, just not so warm maybe. But I absolutely love it. Like, it gives you a nice golden tanned look to your skin. I love the way the skin looks. I love it more on my neck. I don't even add the Anastasia contour stick to my neck because I find that it's too ashy. Like, after that, I'll have to go in with powder bronzers just to give some warmth back to it. But with this, I just stick to this and add nothing to it. Yeah, and I don't even need any extra bronzer now. Like, I skipped out a step, which is good. I'll just go in with some blush. Oops, daisies. Right in behind the cheekbone. Alright, because I used Sunless Tanner yesterday, I probably don't need too much more, but I'm just gonna go in with the Anastasia stick and just right in here, no further than that, just add a little bit. Just for a little bit more realistic shading. Because your shade, like, when there is shading, it's not usually something that's warm. So it just creates a little bit more depth. And here, for whatever reason, whenever I do contour, like, there's just the way my face lines up, it's like there's a line there. So that's why I like to go in with some setting powder after, and it'll just clean up that line and just make it look like it's blended properly. For what I don't understand the shadow to that side. This side, perfectly fine. This side, I don't know what it is. Just in along the temples. All right, just to kind of set my makeup all over, since I'm not using any bronzer, I'm just gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in Glow, because it's not a totally white translucent setting powder, and it just adds such a nice finish to your skin afterwards. I'm just gonna go around the outside edges. And then I am gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics palette and lightly carve out the cheekbones as well. I'm gonna go in with the really light white color and a flat brush and just slightly draw a line right under the contour. And you can see it just cleans up this side so well. There, just a little bit on my chin, and I will buff that out. All right, I just did my eye makeup, and now I'm gonna go in with Tarte's Paaarty for my blush. The camera definitely picks up the makeup a lot lighter than it is. Like, the under eye is not this light, like it matches up really, really nicely. And I think I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is probably the best drugstore concealer that I've tried. Like, it has such a nice finish. It doesn't feel cakey. After putting on the powder, it did not cake up at all, which sometimes that happens. I'm just gonna blend it through. And then I'm gonna take my big blending brush and blend that all through again. I think I'm going to go sans, no highlighter. I haven't really been wearing a lot of highlighter lately. I'm just loving to focus more on just having a nice, smooth, golden complexion. So I'm going to skip out on that, but I am going to do my lips. And I'm going to do that off camera because it's the same thing. So this is the final look. And these are my 2 new products to test out. I've gotten more products that I am going to test out as well. Sometimes I find with the videos that are doing reviews and trying new things and full face of new products, I find it a little overwhelming sometimes to kind of, I don't know, figure out which products you want to use and which products you want to try. So for me, I think breaking them down into 1 or 2 products a video is, I don't know, I just find it, you give the product maybe a little bit more of an in-depth look, and it's just something you can go and find, like, I want that concealer. I want to look for a new concealer instead of like getting bombarded with like everything. Like, oh, I need all that new stuff. So yes, so this is the final look. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.